honestly, in the last week, I've walked 2 consultants that I use through a demo of like what Grok can do with basic, just simple instructions.
Yeah.
And both of their reactions were, "Oh my God, I'm going to be out of a job in 2 years." I'm like, "Yeah, I won't need to hire you because I can literally get this to do something that's a complex human function. Like I need you to go through 100 wells and identify when they were liquid loaded over the last 10 years. That's a graphical exercise for a human. Oh, there it is. I see it. Done in Grok in 30 seconds. Here's my spreadsheet. Tell me when these wells were liquid loaded." That's all the instruction you have to give it.
And it worked?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We could do it right now.
And it knows the words liquid loaded.
It figures out what liquid loading means, and then it identifies it in the data set. It doesn't even have to pull up a graph, and it tells you, oh, these periods. And then you can go, okay, write a VBA script that will interpret the theoretical type curve of those wells without that liquid loading. What's the maximum theoretical production from those wells if they weren't liquid loaded? 10 seconds later. And you can and I did it with one guy. I'm like, watch. And then I copied and pasted it into Excel, and I ran the script, and it just gave him the curve. And he was like, "Oh my God." I'm like, "Yeah, we're heading into such uncharted waters right now. We're limited only by the creativity of the questions we can ask."
Yes, that's what I was going to say. This is Google search terms. This is how do you hack the system so you can ask the most effective question to get the answer that you're looking for.
My son's in grade 10, and he's using AI for all of his studying. Because you can ask it a question like, "I don't understand why this happens this way." You can type that into ChatGPT or Grok or whatever it is, Gemini. You can type that in. "I don't understand why this happens when this happens. Please explain it to me like I'm 5 years old." And it will do that.
How truthful is it? Like,
do you want to do this? We could do this. Like it's bang on.
I'm not emotionally ready for this.
Yeah, well, I'm telling you, like I just said, I had 2 guys that I showed this to in the last week, and they were like their faces went white. They're like, "Oh my God, like this is I spent 15 years, 20 years acquiring this skill set to know what liquid loading means and how to identify it on a plot of calendar day production rate." And this just did it in 10 seconds, and it has no idea what liquid loading is, or it didn't until I asked it. This is a force multiplier for human brains.
And they have the AI agents now. Like, I don't know if you know about like service. Like now there's like, I forgot how they break it down. There's like the different tiers of where AI, like there's, you know, where NVIDIA is building infrastructure. There's like ServiceNow, and companies like this build AI agents. And like even like ChatGPT, they have their store now. They have an AI agent for everything. Like I was using one for there's a CPA CRA AI like agent, and you can ask it all your tax questions.
Yeah,
like it knows all Canada accounting,
knows the tax code. Yeah, it's kind of at the point where it's more accurate than humans, but it will get to a point in the next 2 years where humans can't possibly keep up. It's just like the chess machines, right? Like, you know, Magnus Carlsen, I watched him in an interview, and they were like, "Hey, do you ever play chess on your phone?" He's like, "Oh yeah, all the time." Like, "Can you beat the hardest mode on your phone?" He's like, "Not a chance. Humans can't beat chess models anymore. It's over."
Yeah, he's like, "I wouldn't even play it because I feel like stupid." He's like, "I feel like I'm playing like God." He's like, nothing should be this good.
Yeah.
He made a comment too. He's like there was a.
It sounds like we watch a lot of the same stuff on the internet.
Yeah. there was the what's it called, a grandmaster, right? So he said a grandmaster played like a phone model, and he got to have a knight stronger position, so it lost a knight, which against a grandmaster is like, it's like I would never lose a game if I was up a knight at the start against another grandmaster. It's like, but a computer, it won 6 out of 10 games still.
Neat.
He's like, a grandmaster couldn't be having a knight advantage.
And in 3 years, it'll win 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Like, it won't be possible. Like, as these AI sort of different compartments start to build and stack, it's just going to get better and better.
Any final thoughts or advice for younger engineers?
Simple. Learn how to use AI in everything, because everybody's going to use it, and if you're not up on that technology curve, you will fall behind.
Data in hand, we rock the bytes, and we'll take a stand. Calculators flashing like a disco ball. Cold board tech, hey, we answer the call.